Muriel Bowser in Washington, D.C., who I talked to last night. The potential of Washington, D.C. residents being on that train is certainly possible, as it was a Washington started train to New York City, as well as communicated with Mayor Bill de Blasio in New York City as well, since that was the termination point, with an expectation that there would have been New York City residents as well. On behalf of 1.5 million people here in the city of Philadelphia, we also express our deepest sorrow. We will do everything we can to assist families who have loved ones on that particular train.
As Mayor Nutter said, we've brought a multidisciplinary team in here that will be covering a number of issues. We're looking at the track, the train signals, the operation of the train, the mechanical condition of the train, human performance. We are setting up a multidisciplinary investigation to try and understand the factors that led to this accident. In addition, we've brought in experts from the NTSB's Office of Transportation Disaster Assistance who will be assisting those family members who've been affected by this tragedy.
Our hospitals treated over 200 patients last night and this morning. We are in the process of making sure that everybody is accounted for. So we have a couple of things that we need help with. One, if you are looking for somebody or need information about somebody, please call Amtrak's 1-800 number. That's 1-800-523-9101. Again, 1-800-523-9101. If you were on the train and are doing well, please call in and report that to Amtrak so that we can link that data together.
First and major priority will be our customers and our employees who have been affected by this tragedy. We've established an 800 number, which I know has been mentioned, and we are in the process right now of standing up a family assistance center here in Philadelphia. A thorough investigation will take place from this incident, led by the NTSB, and Amtrak will do everything in its power to assist in that investigation and has brought every resource in the company's ability to support that effort. This is the Amtrak family. We are very saddened by what's occurred, and we'll do everything in our power to work with the Mayor's office, the NTSB, and all authorities to do everything possible at dealing with this tragedy. Thank you.